In this video, I'll detail how to set up Siri on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm GPS or GPS and cellular, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily set up Siri on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to set up Siri on Apple Watch Series 9 is press the 2 crown once to exit the watch face, and one on the app menu, click on settings, then use the digital crown to scroll down until you get to Siri and click on it. Once you selected that, locate listen for Siri and click on that. Here you want to choose how you want to communicate with Siri or how you want to wake Siri. If you say hey Siri, then the Siri will wake, or if you say Siri or hey Siri, that is going to wake the Siri app on your Apple Watch. Then select Siri or hey Siri, then scroll down and you see a field that says enable Siri. Then go ahead and tap enable Siri. Now once you enable Siri, then you see Siri or hey Siri checked. Then hit the power button and then scroll down, locate raise to speak and then turn this on. Then after that, locate press G2 crown to wake hey Siri. So if I just say hey Siri, then Siri is going to wake. But if I enable press G2 crown to wake Siri like this, then Siri is going to wake. Then go ahead and turn on press G2 crown. Once that is enabled, and you go ahead and press and hold Siri like this, then you see Siri wake on your Apple Watch. Then again, you can just scroll down, select your Siri language, and then choose the language you want to use your Siri in on your Apple Watch Series 9, whether English, Indian, English, Canada, French, or whatever language, select it. Then once you selected it, hit the power button and then scroll down to change the Siri voice. Then here you can select the voice you want to use.
The sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Then once you're satisfied, just hit the power button and the selected voice will be set as your Siri voice. So that's how you can easily set up Siri on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.